Good morning, Year 5. Today in our maths lesson we're going to be looking at wholes and decimal numbers and adding and subtracting these. And we can use what we've learned in our past couple of lessons of adding and subtracting numbers with different decimal places. Today we're going to be using the place value grid like this here and the column method, but there are other ways that can help you with this, for example using a number line to help you, okay? Now, in our top row here, we have our calculation is going to be 36 add 3.41. So our top row is 36, so we have 3 10s and 6 lots of 1s. Okay, and in our second row here we have 0 10s, 3 1s, 4 tenths and 100th. Okay, now we're always going to start off in the smallest column. Okay, so that's the hundredths today. Now 100th add 0 hundredths. That's just going to be 100th. Okay. And likewise, in the tenths column, we don't have anything in the top row here. So 0 add 4 tenths is going to be 4 tenths. So 0 tenths add 4 tenths is going to be 4 tenths. Now we move on to the ones column. We have 6 lots of 1 here and 3 lots of 1 there. So 6 add 3 is 9. And in the tens column, we have 1, 2, 3 add 0. So it's 3. So 3 add 0 is 3. Okay, so our answer to 36 add 3.41 is 39.41. Now I'm going to show you this calculation in the column method, okay? Because when we use the column method, we need to make sure that all of our columns are lined up correctly in order for us to answer the calculation properly. So, let me rub this one out quickly. 36 doesn't actually have a decimal point, but we're going to put a decimal point in just to help us line up our calculation. Add 3.41. Now, if you like here, you can actually add placeholders, okay, to help you see the equation. So, 0 add 1/100th is 1. 0 add 4 is 4. Okay, 6 add 3 is 9. And then last of all, 3 add 0 is 3. So our answers are exactly the same here. Now, we are going to look at subtracting wholes and decimals now. Okay, so I'm just going to rub this off. Okay, and the calculation we're going to look at is 12. So we have 1 10, 2 1s. Take away 1.2. Now, in the place value grid, we don't actually have any tenths, so you can't do 0 tenths, take away 2 tenths. So what are we going to have to do? We're going to have to exchange, okay? Now, we're going to exchange one of our 1s for how many tenths? We're going to exchange it for 10 tenths, okay? Because 10 tenths make up 1 1. So, I'm going to put this over here. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there we are. There. And I'm also going to get rid of this one. There. So we've made that exchange. Now, it was 12, take away 1.2. So I now have 1 10, 1 1 and 10 tenths. So 10 tenths, take away 2 tenths. I can do that, so I'm just going to cross that off, okay? And I now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 tenths left. I'm going to put my decimal point there. Okay, and then, so we've done this one. I'm going to take away 1 from the ones column, okay? So I don't have any 1s left now. And then I don't need to take anything from the tens column, okay? So that is 1. So our answer to 12 take away 1.2 is 10.8. Now I'm also going to show you this in the column method as well, okay? So we'll do a different question this time because I know it can be quite tricky. Okay, so let's go with 16 take away 4.9. Now, to help you with this, you can add in a placeholder, okay? So, 0 take away 9, or 0 tenths take away 9 tenths. Can I do that? I can't do that, so I'm going to have to exchange from my ones column. So we're going to make that the 6 into a 5, and there, the 0 tenths becomes 10 tenths. Now, 10 take away 9 is 1, so 10 tenths take away 9 tenths is 1 tenth. 5 take away 4 is 1, and 1 take away nothing is 1. So our answer to 16 take away 4.9 is equal to 11.1. Okay, I hope that's helpful for you. Now I would like you just to go and have a go at the questions that I've set you, please. Thank you.